Hey everybody, it's that time of year again where I'm getting ready to change up my hair color. I do this ever so often around my birthday, and it's my birthday month, December, and so I figure it's the right time to go ahead and change my color. Because I haven't been able to get to the salon like I typically do, I've not been able to get my roots touched up. So yeah, it's a lot of gray, and I'm not quite ready to embrace the gray just yet. I will get there, I promise, but not just yet. So I am going to do a color all over. Now, just a disclaimer, I'm not a cosmetologist, so definitely make sure you consult with a professional. I have colored my hair myself, and I'm just willing to take the risk of doing it this time. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. Just a solid shade, and I'm going to be going with the HiColor Blacks for Dark Color Hair, and I'm going to go with Black Sapphire, and I'm going to use, I'm following the directions, and it recommends a 30 developer, so I have a 30 developer here, and yep, I'm going to go with a 30 developer, and for my applicator, I'm going to use an applicator bottle, and so it says 2.5 for the entire contents of the color. I've already went around with Vaseline around the edges, and I have on a shirt that if I get hair color on it, it's okay. I'm not going to be too upset about it. I've removed my rugs and things like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on my gloves and mix my color. So I'm sure you all have seen tons of video of people coloring their hair, so I'm not going to prolong the video. I'll speed things up just a little bit, but let me just kind of explain the process that I'm following. I've divided my hair into 4 sections, and with the majority of my gray being towards the front and crown area of my head, that is where I'm going to concentrate applying the hair dye first. Just massaging it into the roots to make sure that it gives time for the scalp to produce that heat that's going to allow the color to seep into the root area first. And then I'll work my way back to where you see my hair is a lot lighter. I think it'll apply a lot easier or take a lot easier with those lighter colored sections of my hair. But these roots need some help, so I'm definitely going to spend some time making sure that my hair is completely covered with the dye at the root section, then again massaging it down to the lighter colors. Okay, I have the color all over. I'm going to use my trusty grocery bag. Just let that settle for a little while, and then I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair. I'm going to use Uncle Funky Starter because I also want to use my Heal and Renew for a deep conditioner. So that's what I'm going to do, and we'll come back on after I shampoo and condition my hair, and I'll show you the final results. Hey everybody, so here are the results. It looks absolutely amazing. I'm so excited. New color, love the shape, the volume, the definition. As always, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.